Hey guys, welcome to Login Health. Today I'll be showing you how to automatically save your Instagram stories to your Instagram archive on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to save your Instagram stories to your archive on Instagram, let's open up the Instagram app first. And after opening your Instagram app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or the profile icon. Tap over there, and on the profile section of your Instagram account at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the three lined icon available for us. Simply tap on that and tap on settings and privacy. And over here, guys, on the settings and privacy of your Instagram account, scroll down a little bit until you can find the archiving and downloading option over here, which is just above the accessibilities, guys, and tap on that archiving and downloading. And from over here, guys, you can see the second option which says the save live to archive, and it also says automatically save your live videos, or not this one, but the first one. You can see the first one, guys. There is the first option where it says the automatically save photos and videos to your archive, so you don't have to save them to your phone, and only you can see your archive, which says the save story to your archive. Now guys, in order to save your stories to your archive, simply tap on the toggle icon beside that, and when it turns to blue, it means it has turned on. Now all of your stories will be saved to your archive on Instagram. And with that being said, guys, this is how you automatically save your Instagram stories to your archive on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.